Really quickly, for my business owners who want to have someone help them with their business but they don't have the funds, this video is for you. I'm a business psychologist and I understand how pricey it could be to hire someone like me to help you with assessments or organizational research. Let's say it could be upwards to $80,000 per assessment. Let me give you some tips and tricks of the trade to help you assess your business, similar to a business psychologist. Tip number 1, right now if you're still using paper, please switch to electronics. Businesses are data-driven, and if your business is not data-driven, you're trailing behind your competitors. Tip number 2, don't just collect any data, collect data that's specific to your organizational issues. Easier said than done, right? Tip number 3, operationally define your organizational issues. Operational definitions are not the type of definitions that you can look up through Webster's dictionary. Instead, operational definitions are observable and measurable. Lucky for you, many of us business psychologists have already operationally defined the typical organizational issues such as psychological contract breach or workplace satisfaction. Tips and tricks from a business psychologist to help you assess your business for free. But if you're interested in me helping your organization, you can contact me in the description box below.